Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita Lolit! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lolit!
Ay, Tita Lolit, happy birthday! Thank you po sa pagiging mabait sa amin at sa lahat po ng mga tulong. Thank you po.
Happy 58th birthday. Wish ko sa iyo, you have many more birthdays to come. And masaya ka palagi. Maganda ka palagi.
Birthday, Tita Lolit. Sana po mag-enjoy ka at
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
happy birthday, Ma'am. Thank you po sa pagiging mabait nyo and more birthdays to celebrate po. And
Happy birthday, Nanay Sisa. Ang taba mo.
yan na!
Okay?
Sabay kayo, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Nanay Sisa. We wish you all the best. All the best. Happy birthday, Nanay Sisa. I wish you all the best.
Okay ka naman, ano sasabihin
And
mo?
thank you for everything on good second mother.
Happy birthday, Tita Lolit. More birthday to come. God bless
happy
always.
birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tita Lolit. Salamat po sa pagiging mabait. Wish you all the best.
Ay, Tita Lolit, happy birthday! Thank you po sa pagiging mabait sa amin at sa lahat po ng mga tulong. Thank you po.
Hi, Ma'am Lolit! Happy birthday! Stay pretty! Ingat lagi! Happy birthday ulit!
Okay, go!
Hi, Lolit. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Sana mabusog mo ako ngayon. Hindi na ako.
Din ako.
Hi, Lolit. Love you.
Alay! Ayun, hindi ka na, sir!
Hi, Inay! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa iyo, Inay, ay lagi dapat good health. Stay pretty lagi, Inay. Inay, thank you sa lahat. Dahil ikaw ang napakabait namin dito, Inay. Sobrang mapagbigay sa amin. Hindi lang sa akin, lalo na sa akin, ako lang ang priority mo. Thank you, Inay, ng sobrang-sobra. I love you, Inay. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Tita Lolit.
1. Happy birthday po, Tita Lolit. Yun na, sabi mo na. Hey, happy birthday po, Tita Lolit. Sabi mo na. Yay! Ang yalang bait-bait naman ng bebe namin. Oh, ikot naman. Dance. Dance. Happy birthday, Tita Loli. Ayun, ang bait-bait ni Pe. Tita Lolit, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng kabutihan mo sa amin. Okay, kiss mo na kay Tita Lolit. Kiss. Yan. Thank you sa pagmamahal mo sa SP family, MMC family, at sa lahat-lahat. Thank you. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Sana bigyan ka pa ng napakahabang buhay para marami ka pang matulungan. Alam ko namang napakabuti mong tao. Thank you.